want to be a nicer person? Great! But let's ditch the saccharine sweetness and get real. Niceness isn't about being a doormat. It's about being kind, respectful, and assertive. Let's upgrade your kindness with my royalty. I feel so pretty. But before that, if you want to become the better version of yourself, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get some more tips, learning, and lifestyle. Maybe not lifestyle yet, but I'm sure you will get the tips and learnings from my videos. Like all of those. Yeah, those give you guys lots of tips and ideas. Not just tips, also ideas on how to do this or that. So, and what to do if this person did that, or something happened to this, or so many things. So don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell to see more of this content. So let's go back on trying to upgrade your kindness, your niceness, your everything. Number 1, instead of passive-aggressive behavior, try direct communication. Here's some don'ts and do's. Don't leave snarky notes or give the silent treatment. These tactics are childish and ineffective. Do express your feelings and needs directly and, of course, respectfully. Use I statements to avoid blaming others. For example, instead of leaving a passive-aggressive note, say, "Hey, I felt hurt when blah blah blah." Number 2, instead of sarcasm, try genuine compliments. Don't use sarcasm to mask your true feelings. Sarcasm can be hurtful and easily misinterpreted. Do give genuine compliments when you mean them. Focus on specific qualities you admire. A genuine compliment can brighten someone's day. Because I have someone I know, like, she's kind of sarcastic. Like, she will be like, when someone reads a word wrongly, she'll be like, or like, "Guys, it's right there. I'm sorry, but like, isn't that kind of hurtful, like, to the people who did not know about that?" Because if you guys, like, if someone says that to you, like, be like, "Girl, it's right in front of you, what are you doing?" Or, you know, all those sarcastic things. Of course, you're going to see that person differently. Like, this girl, very, I'm just kidding, not like that, but you know, all those, you will get the feeling when someone's sarcastic to you. Because, so number 3, instead of ignoring others' feelings, try empathy. Or try to put yourself in someone else's shoes. Like, what would happen if what if I said this? What if someone said this to me? What would I feel? So, don't dismiss or ignore other people's feelings. Everyone has a right to their emotions, okay? So do try to understand their perspective. Even if you don't agree with it, show empathy and compassion. Ask questions to show you care. Because I had a friend who ignored me. If you had a friend who's like ignoring you because of something, you would understand that feeling. It really be hurting you. Like, what did I do? Wait. So it's okay there though. If you have toxic friends, you have people who ignore you, just leave them. Try to, if they don't communicate to you, like they don't text you, don't either. Why are you trying to beg? We're not really trying to beg. Why are you trying to get their attention if they're bad to you already? So just leave them out of the picture. Number 4, instead of being a people pleaser, try setting boundaries. Don't always say yes and yes and yes and yes and yes and yes to avoid conflict. This can lead to resentment and burnout. Do set a healthy boundary set some healthy boundaries, and communicate to your limits clearly and respectfully. It's okay to say no sometimes, okay? Everyone has the right to say no if they really can't do it or they don't want to because something would happen and they're looking so pretty over here. Number 5. Instead of gossiping, try positive reinforcement. But of course, not bad gossiping, like you're talking so badly about this girl or something. Just like a little, the light gossiping is okay because I do that. Who doesn't gossip with their mom or friends? If you don't, it's okay. But if you like you're doing that kind of that gossiping, like the bad kind of gossiping, like the Filipinos out there, like the marites. Girl, stop talking about me. I don't know if someone talks about me, but still, don't. So don't spread rumors or engage in negativity. Gossip is sometimes hurtful and unproductive. Excuse me. Do focus on positive reinforcement. Highlight people's strengths and accomplishments and spread joy, not negativity. Of course, you can gossip. But not that kind of gossip that is negative, like you hurt people. Like what I said first. One sec, guys. Guys, I have to redo my bun. It's not working out. So, yeah. I don't even know what I'm doing, y'all, but you know, from your Shayla, this bun is not working out. Number 6, my bun is finally fixed. Did that rhyme? I did not meant that to happen. But anyways, instead of holding grudges, try forgiveness. Why do I look like that? Oh my gosh. Okay. So don't hold on to anger and resentments. This will only hurt you in the long run. So do practice forgiveness. I forgive you, both for yourself and others too. Forgiveness is a powerful tool for healing and moving forward. But of course, if they did do something really bad to you, who wouldn't resent someone? But if it's something that you can forgive, then forgive them. But if it's not, like they did something so bad, like all those things I don't want to mention, it's okay, girl. Don't need to forgive. I'm just saying, if they really did something so bad to you, if they did something that you can forgive, it's okay. Number 7, instead of neglecting self-care, prioritize your well-being. Don't burn out yourself trying to please everyone. You can't pour from an empty cup. Do prioritize self-care activities that help you recharge and maintain your well-being. This allows you to show up for others with more energy and compassion. Because of course, all of us will eventually feel so tired, or not really tired, but if you please everyone, you like someone tells you to do this, can you help me with this, can you help me with that, can you do this with me, can you give me an idea, they will come on to you because of course you're going to say yes. So of course I'm probably gonna come to you and say all those things, and then of course just say no if you really can't handle it, because of course you can't pour from an empty cup. That means that you can't give more when you're already empty inside. So that's why don't always try to say yes. Try to also not only say yes, try to also say no, so that you become a full cup. And then, you know, a person isn't about being perfect. It's about consistently striving to be kind, respectful, and assertive. By making these conscious choices, you can build stronger relationships or navigate through challenges with grace and create a more positive impact on the world. Let's upgrade our kindness together. If that sounds cringe to you, look at the opposite side, okay? So here's the quote for today's video to end this, okay? To end this, I'm kind of hungry right now. I can't eat though, so yeah. Kindness isn't a competition. It's a choice. Choose wisely. choose well. Choose to upgrade. So I hope you guys can upgrade from this. You can learn from this video and become and upgrade your kindness. So good luck and bye. I hope you can upgrade to your kindness. What did that mean? I don't know.